This video is brought to you by hoodbeast.com. Design your own custom hoodies. hoodbeast.com.
Is the Triple Black Ultra Boost 4.0 a great new colorway, or just more of the same? Let's find out. What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm reviewing the brand new Adidas Ultra Boost 4.0 in the Triple Black colorway. Thanks so much for tuning in today guys. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter at RealSethFowler if you haven't yet, but with all that being said, let's get into it. Since 2015, Adidas has been dropping colorway after colorway of the Ultra Boost silhouette, and I've got to be honest, it's one of my favorite shoes. But just like every other popular sneaker, there are some colorways that sell out and some that sit. Since the Triple Black colorway finally dropped on the Ultra Boost 1.0 about a year and a half ago, Adidas has been dropping Triple Black colorways in each one of their variants of the sneaker. And in many cases, a couple different versions of the Triple Black colorway on each sneaker. And you know, since of course we just got the Ultra Boost 4.0, we had to have another Triple Black colorway. So without further ado, here it is, the Ultra Boost 4.0 in the Triple Black colorway. Although this shoe does look very similar to all the other Triple Black Ultra Boosts that have released in the past, there are a couple noticeable differences that you may like or you may not like. Starting off from the toe box of the shoe, because this is an Ultra Boost 4.0, you know it's got that 4.0 prime knit pattern. The prime knit does have some nice give while still maintaining structure, which I really like. I think the overall construction of the prime knit on the 4.0 is the best version of prime knit on an Ultra Boost to date, but it's probably the most comfortable and supportive version of prime knit on an Ultra Boost sneaker. You might notice that even though this is called the Triple Black Ultra Boost, it's not totally black. As you can see, woven throughout the prime knit, there are a couple gray speckles and a couple white speckles, and honestly they don't look bad, but this isn't really what I'm looking for from a Triple Black Ultra Boost. To give you a comparison from last year's Ultra Boost 3.0 Triple Black, last year's prime knit did have some gray in it, but it was very muted and very subtle. I mean, overall the shoe really did look like it was all one shade of black, whereas this year's, maybe from a distance or even the images on Adidas's website, you might think it's a Triple Black shoe, but up close it's more salt and pepper. Hey, some people might like that. A lot of people like the 3.0s that were a similar colorway, but it's really not for me. To be fair, not a bad looking shoe, but I have so many pairs of Ultra Boosts that I really have to be careful about how many more I pick up. So unless I really love the shoe, I might not keep it in my collection. Continuing back on the shoe, you find one of the most noticeable differences of this Ultra Boost colorway, and that's the mesh cage. It's actually pretty similar to the cage that you find in the Parley Ultra Boost 3.0, except the mesh is a little bit thicker. It has a more industrial feel and doesn't have a glisten, so it looks more like a matte black than a glossy black, which I mean, hey, I'm glad they're trying something different, but I wouldn't have minded the original cage. Continuing up on the shoe, you have these black and gray laces that match the upper pretty well. At the top of the tongue, you have this 3M black Adidas tag. Unfortunately, on my pair, some of the black rubbed off, so you can see right through to the silver 3M. It kind of just looks like a silver splotch. The inside of the shoe is exactly the same as all the other Ultra Boost 4.0s. You've got the same soft black sock liner, and you've got that insole with the weird bubbly boost text, which I still don't get. As for sizing, these fit just like any other Ultra Boost 4.0. For me, that's true to size. Some people have said that these run a little bit smaller than the regular Ultra Boost, and I think if you're worried about that, maybe go up half a size. And really, I think you should be fine either way. But as I always suggest, if you have the chance to try the shoe on first, make sure to do that to make sure the sizing is right for you. Continuing back on the shoe, you have this matte black ridged heel cup. It's the same ridges they've been using on a lot of heel cups moving forward. And rounding out the heel cup, you've got your Ultra Boost text in gloss so it pops. Moving down the shoe, you've got your standard Ultra Boost midsole. Of course, it's in black to match the rest of the shoe. One thing that bums me out about Triple Black sneakers, and this goes for any brand, Adidas, Nike, whoever, when sneaker companies connect the upper to the midsole, they always glue it, and usually when you glue the shoe, there is a little bit of seepage around the edges, and unfortunately on Triple Black shoes, it is pretty visible. I mean, it's really just a minor gripe. Every shoe has this, but on Triple Black shoes, it's really easy to see. Oh yeah, and I forgot the obligatory, Boost is the best. It's great. It's awesome. If you haven't tried it, try it. Finally moving to the bottom of the shoe, you've got your black webbed Continental outsole. Of course, by now you know that colored Boost is always painted, so you can see through to the regular color of the Boost on the bottom of the shoe. Overall, the Ultra Boost 4.0 is definitely a solid shoe. There's nothing wrong with it. I think the 4.0 is a great silhouette, but if you're like me and you already have a pair of Triple Black Ultra Boosts or couple pairs, you might not need to pick up this pair. Or hey, if you love this sort of speckled black look, maybe grab it. I don't know. It's up to you. Now that we've got the review out of the way, let's throw these guys on feet and see how they look. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you think of the Adidas Ultra Boost 4.0 in the Triple Black colorway and whether you're planning to grab a pair for yourself. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to me, Seth Fowler, if you want to see more content just like this, and follow me on all other forms of social media. The links will be in the description below.